Hello friends, welcome back to the Roxy Coder. In the last video, we created our very first Node.js endpoint to fetch products from the FakeStore API. That was a simple one file setup, fine for demos, but not good for enterprise. Today, we will refactor into a clean folder structure with routes, controllers, and services. This is how big projects stay organized and scalable. If you want your backend code to look professional in interviews or work environments, you must separate logic into layers. By the end this video, our code will be clean, modular, and ready to grow. We create a src folder. So go to the terminal, then write a comment mkdir src, then enter. We create a src folder to keep all our application code separate from configuration files. Inside src, we make three folders: mkdir src, routes, src controllers, src services, then enter. Okay, go to VS Code, click on src. Three folders already created: routes, controllers, and services. Routes. Routes defines URL path and connect them to controllers. And controllers handle request and response, call service function. And services contains business logic like API call and database queries, etc. Then move server code into src. The server.js code move into src. So go to src, then create a new file app.js. Step 1, import express to create our API server. Const express equal require express. Then step 2, const app create express app instance called express function. Then step 3, use JSON middleware app.use express.json. This allows our backend to read JSON data from request bodies. Express JSON middleware is important for reading post or put request data sent in JSON format. Then we register our routes with a prefix API products. Import product routes. So create product route file, product route.js. Product routes.js will only define paths, no logic. This keeps routing clean and easy to maintain. First, import Express router. So const Express require Express. Then create a new router instance. So const router Express and router. Here, Express router is like a mini Express app. It's only focus on routes. S- Sorry, R is capital letter. Then export router, export router using module export one router. Then go to app.js and import the routes using app.use prefix API, then products, then first import product routes const product product routes required routes product routes, then copy and paste. Any route inside product routes will start with API prefix API, then products. Now create a controller file like product controller.js. Controllers connect routes to service. They receive request called write service function and send the response. Then create a service file product service dot js. Services handle the main logic here calling the FakeStore API. First, import axios for HTTP request const axios require axios. Then create a function const fetch products async. This is service function to fetch products. Then go to server.js and comment this code, copy this line, then go to product service, then paste first URL then copy API URL fake store product endpoints. Show API URL. Then enter. Make get request. So const response await axios dot get URL. Fetch data from API. Then return response dot data. Return response data. Only send back the useful data. Then module module export coffee face product function, then paste here. Controller will use this. Controller will why use the product service JS file. Suppose if tomorrow our data source change to MongoDB or MySQL, we only edit this service, no other file breaks. That's why I use this product service file, then import in the controller JS. Import in controller file. We go to product controller JS. First, import fetch product, fetch fetch product required services, then product service. Then create a controller function for get API products. Get API products. So const get all products async request response try. Then call the service function to get data. Const products await fetch product copy and paste this function. Fetch products from external API. Controller must not know how data is fetched. Only services should handle that. This way, if we switch to a real DB later, the controller code stay the same. Then res.json products. Send the data back to the client. Send data list in JSON format. Then in catch block, handle error. So go to the server.js section and copy this line. then paste here. Then export controller, so module export get all product, export to to routes. Okay, then go to product routes, import product controller. First import product controller, product controller, product routes, then product routes. Okay, product routes, const controller get all products, then paste here and we require controllers, then rename copy product controller, then define get route for product route dot get, sorry, router dot get, router dot get, then gets all products. When someone calls get API products, run this controller. Then go to app section, sorry, go to app.js file, products, then module, sorry, export app, export app, module dot export app, show server.js can import and run it. So go to server.js. Server.js will be only responsible for starting the app. Keeping startup separate from configuration is good for testing and deployment. First, import app from app.js. Step 1. Import app from app.js. Const app require src app. Then step 2. Define port. Use environment variable or fallback to 4000. Okay, remove this line and start server. Okay, go to terminal. If we want to run test later, we can import app without starting the server. Very helpful for enterprise project. Now our project has a professional structure and still works exactly like before. Let's see if we did not break anything. Go to terminal, write a comment, first clear the terminal, npx nodemon server node.js, then enter. Sorry, npx, not npm, then enter. When I visit http localhost 4000, http localhost 4000 slash API slash products, I still get the products, but now our code is ready for big project growth. Okay, let's check. Go to browser, localhost 4000, then API, then products, then enter. I still get the same products data is shown in this browser. So in this video, we turn a one file server into a professional enterprise ready structure with routes, controllers and services. In the next video, we will add a single product details endpoint and set up centralized error handling middleware. Two must have features in enterprise APIs. If you code it along, type down in the comments, like, share and subscribe. See you in video 3. Bye bye, take care.